community, praxis, solidarity.
Mission-driven, experiential, empowering,
exciting, reliable, challenging. SLU welcomes everyone from all walks of life. No one ever feels like this isn't the place for them.
SLU, for me, is, it's just the real deal.
I'm a first-generation immigrant, and SLU education is huge helpful for me to do my work in public service.
That was a big support coming home from prison, right? I need to go to classes, times I was hungry, right? So the professors will always tell me, where to go to and how to get support. They helped me on writing my first resume. Never had a job before, so thanks to the resume building, now I have a job.
The support system extends beyond you being a student.
The incredible classmates and peers that I've been around and that I've met, other union workers.
My children, I want to set the best example for them.
The love to support, you showed me love and you brought me here. This is where I want to be at.